Hei, kia ora e te whānau. Whawheta I mau peke o tua. I he ene tau, hi mai e tau mo ui o tau wa o mai ki he whiaf sāpate. Ko e aho sāpate whakaosi eni o katopa. Ka inga nei tuku mai he whakamatala e pot ngai mo ui ane nei. O ku iai ai mo ua whakalota whanua I he COVID taha hiwa. E te au whango fulmaa tolu. Pea I he kau puke koe ni o kia I te au toko te au tolu nima I Okalani, toko ono I he Waikato, pea ko toko ua I Northland. Ko tua tai mini ko e pesete fitu nima o e whanua, ko lava ho nau huhu kakato I he COVID taha iwa. Ai huhu malu I, aia ko toko tolu miliona, taha kilu wha mano tolu afe iwa ngeau, hongo fulu maa wha. Wha maa loa te teku mo tolu ko toa pe, ne mo kau atu I he kau tokolahi ko ia, ane afi na e lava ai huhu malu I COVID taha iwa, e wha mano ua afe ono ngeau taha fitu. Kau ia I he ongo rei au pito pe ofa ke hoko tai pe e tau huhu malu I he wike kaha un. I he tokotaha e case goni I Tonga, mana tui whoku na o te whakamatala ko toko wha, ko close contact I Nusilani. Aia ko toko ua I Christchurch, pia toko ua I Porirua. Koni na tuku maha whakamatala e pot ngai mo ui ane nai, ko osi lava re refe tutaki, pia ko isolate te kaumea koe ni, pia ko lava honau, a o mai honau uruaki CV COVID, o ko I kai ke nau mo ua I COVID taha hiwa, ka e hoka tai pefo, ka e fua whatongia pot ngai mo ui. Koe ka inga si futolahi au puta e honi, toko te au whātolu, kore atu pe ke tau ngau, pe tau tokanga, I he taimi o tau mawahe ai mei api. Tui mau pe mea malu I fofonga, whamama o me taha ko toa pe o kaike I kau I holoto whare, scan e QR code I whaitu ko toa pe me iai, pe mana tui mau pe a tau tau whano. Neongo ko tau tolo ko oslava ho tau huhu malu I COVID taha hewa, neongo ko lava ho tau huhu malu I, ka te tau kei lava pe, o ma o mai a COVID taha hiwa. Koia, ka taki ngau aki pe tokanga I ho whanonga holo. Koia pe te utok whokma a pongi, te tau Novema a pongi. Malo au pitau. Kia ora e te whanau. It is my daily bilingual update. Today is Sunday, last Sunday of October. It's the 31st of October. So the Ministry of Health has released their information. We've got 143 cases of COVID-19 in the community today. Of those 143, there are 135 in Auckland, 6 in the Waikato, and 2 in Northland. Which is quite a few people. So just a reminder, please do take care out there. When you leave your house, put on your mask when you're out, always scanning the QR code. Stay away from 2 meters from someone who's not in your on your household, and always have good hand hygiene. The good news is that 75% of the country is now double dosed. That's a total of 3,143,914, but we still need to go to get to that magic number, which is 90%. We can do it. Thank you to everyone. Yesterday there were 42,617 vaccinations yesterday. Thank you so much for that. I think there's over 50 people in hospital today, so I hope they recover soon. I didn't quite get that number out, but I've got it there on the written text. Thanks everyone. Have an awesome Sunday. It's a great day to be out and about. It's nice and cool and here in Tamaki Makaurau. See you tomorrow in the new month. Ka kite anō.